What's up, YouTube? Gonna talk about my crypto portfolio real quick. See, I got into crypto. I didn't I didn't plan it really. I just was looking for some side income, some extra income. When I found out about staking crypto, I'm like, that's kind of like dividends. But it was different because I seen Polkadot would pay you every day. I'm like, you got some REITs that don't even do that. So you got to understand my stock talk. I come from the stock world. I do stock full time, Monday through Friday. But on the weekends, I was like, man, what am I going? Because I was kind of not bored, but I was like, I kind of like the market a lot. So I'm like, yo, what am I going to do when the market is closed on the weekend? I got my little side hustles that it's really my business, but y'all people call these side hustles. I call it business, whatever you want to call it. Because I do it, like I said, every weekend. That's a business. W-2 forms, business. But whatever. Cool. Guess what? I got in the bull market. Messed me up because I had to learn. I'm thinking everything was going to go to the moon. I'm like, Polkadot, I'm staking that $9. What I had already bought that earlier in my journey, but that's where it went to, 9. So I'm like, cool. Let me start dollar cost averaging. Next thing you know, the market's getting tanking. I didn't know it was in the bull market when I got in, but I'm just like, yo, every weekend I'm going to sit here. Because at first I was just buying it through the weekday. This is where I messed up at, because I was trying to buy stock and crypto same day. Cool, whatever. At least I was executing. But I learned, oh, nah, let's just actually focus on the weekend, since that's already your downtime with the stock market. It got easier because I knew Friday through Sunday I was going to invest in those days. But I needed more money. That's what messed me up. I had money. I still got money, whatever. But I was like, hold on. I was taking more money out of my regular just savings, and I was already putting money in the stock market. It was the budget putting money in the stock market and crypto would mess me up. I'm like, oh shit. And you talking about I'm putting money in the crypto for these past 7-8 months, and the market wasn't going anywhere no more. I'm talking about I got in when ICP was $20. That shit went to $7, $6. I'm like, oh. Because I was almost going to quit. I ain't going to lie. But I'm like, man, no, actually master your side hustle. I just like crypto in general. Like I said, Monday through Friday, it's still jumping, but I'm more focused on the weekend if I'm going to make any transaction moves. Like I own things like XRP, Cardano. I own the top 10% of cryptos because I didn't come in with the ideas of buying meme coins. I'm not going to lie. I own Dogecoin. I own SHIB. I should have kept SHIB a little, if you know, you know. But it's cool. Guess what, though? I can still master that on the weekends even more. So it's not you can't get back in it, because that's the only thing about it. Don't have FOMO. Don't have a fear of missing out. Like I said, I'm not one of those guys gonna say, man, you should have got into Bitcoin. You should have got into Bitcoin, but guess what? It's still way more coins out here you can get rich with. You can literally put 5,000 in one coin if it's that right coin and goes up. You see what I'm saying? But you got to ride the wave though. And crypto's a different wave because some decentralized. It's so many layer 1 coins, layer 2. It gets very technical. So you just got to know what you're buying, why you're buying it, what it's being used for. Like, I'm not going to say ICP was a bad crypto because they're using it. But I should have crypto, just knowing the best price to get in. You buy on lows even more versus the stock market. Stock market, you can kind of balance it more. Crypto, so I can get y'all back on it. Account was down for at least, my account was down, and I'm putting money in the account while it's going down. 4 months at least, it'll jump back up, like XRP kind of things, Avalanche, stuff like that. But the other ones, dead. Like everybody you will hear people, and I get it now, it's me saying it and talking, dead coins. But one thing about it, they tried to say XRP was dead. Right now it's at $1 and something. Back alive. Cardano, back alive. Certain coins, you just got to watch the market though. And know, if it's down 10, 15%, that's great in crypto world. But down 2%, just depending on what crypto you got. But that was just my journey of just using the weekends to actually master, because I'm a master it anyway, because I was doing it Monday through Friday, but to actually make some money and knowing how I'm doing it with a structured routine. Like I said, we're making money while we sleep. When I wake up and look at my crypto portfolio, usually every morning now, it's up. You can kind of tell with Bitcoin being at 90,000 right now. It's at 91,000. But that's just how I did it.